Hi, this is Yin. I don't usually do any of these videos, but a good friend of mine, Annette, she sells makeup for Younique, and I've got this really cool 3D mascara that I recently bought. I'm going to open it up here and we can take a look. So what it does, these are the fiber lashes, and essentially as you put them on, this is what it looks like. As you put the mascara on, it builds off of your natural eyelashes to make them look longer. And well, if any of you can see, I don't have very long eyelashes. Surprisingly, Erin has really long eyelashes, and I'm insanely jealous. I don't usually wear makeup, but for those of you who know me, obviously I perform a lot, and it's always important to have. Ooh, look at this! Do you think I could get my eyelashes to look like that? So, as I was saying, it's important to have makeup that gives you a really dramatic effect, that really brings out your eyes. But apparently there are 3 steps to how this mascara is applied. First thing is to apply an even coat of transplanting gel, and then apply 3D fibers while it's wet, the gel is wet, and then repeat with the gel until I've reached desired fullness. Oh boy. Okay. So as you can see here, the tubes are labeled, and you can actually see through them to the material inside. All right. Oh my god, it's so high tech. Transplanting gel. Oh. Wait, I have to get it. It's like a thick... Oh my gosh. Oh wait, maybe I should open the other tube because I have to immediately apply. Alright. Okay, let's try this again. Is there anything on here? I might need some help. This is the worst instructional video ever. Oh, okay, I see the stuff. Okay, and then this is the fibers. Oh wow, it's so cool. It's like iron filings, but not, hopefully. You guys ever play with those experiments where you have those iron filings and the magnets and they just kind of build up? This is what it kind of reminds me of. I can't really tell. Is it doing anything? Okay, yeah, I see it now. Okay, obviously I'm going to need some practice with this, but, and this is a hot mess, just kind of like how I'm doing my makeup right now. But if you take a look, compared to no mascara here, mascara here, I'm going to try this again with my other eye, because clearly the other one was kind of a test case. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You could tell there are these little mini fibers that come out. And then finally, to seal it with the gel. I really hope I'm doing this right. Totally tagging Annette so she could yell at me for doing this wrong. Okay, ta-da! Notice a difference? So I'm going to try this again after a little practice. Hopefully this time with a better camera you can see the details of the fibers as it goes onto my lashes. So this is the fiber that goes on. And then finally, seal. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Annette's store. Take care.